In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the slide sorter in PowerPoint 2016. This feature is incredibly helpful when you want to rearrange slides, refine your presentation, or make sure your story flows perfectly from start to finish. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer and loading the presentation you're working on. Once your file is ready, go to the top of your screen and click on the View tab. Here, you'll find different viewing options, and one of them is called Slide Sorter. When you click on it, PowerPoint will instantly switch to a grid layout, showing all your slides at once. This bird's eye view makes it so much easier to see how your slides connect. Identify any weak spots or spot slides that need to be removed or adjusted. It's the perfect mode for editing and organizing your presentation more effectively. In Slide Sorter view, you can easily drag and drop slides, change their order, and make sure your story flows logically. You can also select multiple slides to delete or move them all at once, saving a lot of time. Using this view gives you more control and helps you polish your presentation to perfection. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how professional and engaging your presentation feels. And that's how you can use the slide sorter in PowerPoint 2016 to make your presentations clean, organized, and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.